Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. We have the base box and the premium box right here, so just gonna jump right on into the boxes. And when we open this up, it says Boxycharm invite only, the Boxy Beauty Bash. Don't know what that's about. First item in the box is a Violet Voss, the Violet Voss eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Let's take a look in here, see what the colors look like. Packaging's very stiff, and those are the colors right in there. Probably would never use that. Maybe if I want to play with some color, I would, but these are some pretty nice neutral colors right there. That goes for $37. Next, it looks like we have some Luxie brushes. Little orange and white theme going on. And to be honest with you, I do own some Luxie brushes already, and they seem higher quality than this, but these two brushes feel okay. This is a little too fluffy for me, but it would be good to put some kind of powder, whatever, blush, not foundation because it's too soft. It's not dense. These brushes go for $40. Would not spend that on 3 brushes. Next, we have Gloasis, the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Tower. And it comes in a box that's basically simple, just like this. Let's see what we have. And this is the packaging right there. It looks like it's a frosted glass. It is glass, so it's pretty heavy. And this is a toner. I don't even know if I said it was a toner, but it's a milk toner. And this is $34. I've heard of this brand. Never used a toner before. Not quite sure what a toner is used for, but I will be reading up on what it is for, and I know for a fact I'll probably use that. Next, we have Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser. Cleanser. And I do know that this is like an spray on the brush, wipe it on like a paper towel or a regular towel to do a quick little clean, and it dries really fast. So always good to have that. That is $19. I feel like I got stuck on my teeth. Lipstick. I can't talk tonight. Technically really tired because we just got done having Cheesecake Factory. Let me know down below what you guys, if you guys do go to Cheesecake Factory, what is your favorite cheesecake? We normally don't get the dessert, but just let me know what your favorite cheesecake is, and or what you order on the menu that is good. Now, I do not eat fish, so leave whatever you want down below on what you like, and maybe I'll try it the next time I go, because I'm kind of getting tired of the chicken Caesar salad. Next and last thing in this box we have is Rockin' Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. This is probably, I can't say probably not. These would be kind of fun for, came in a box that looked like that. But these kind of look kind of fun for like the holidays. A little Christmas thing here for green. You got blue and black for, what's that next one after that? New Year's. Oh, wow. New Year's party. If anybody's having a party. That is, I don't know if I said $40. That's it for that there. I don't know how I feel about that box, so let's just get into this next one. This is the premium box, and it also says the same thing, invite only. First thing we have is the KVD Beauty Lock It Powder Foundation, which is this way. Let's see, and I got the color Light 130. That cost $37. Next we have Rhode Isle Blush Drops. Now, you do not use creams or liquids for bronzers or blush, but it came in a container that looked like this. And these are the drops. It does look like a pretty rosy color, and the color is Frosted Pink. They are $50. No, would not spend that either. The Better Than Skin Company Eye Bright Now. So we have an eye cream, wherever this is. Is this it? No, it's not a cream. Is it an oil? Might be an, let me see. Why don't I just open things? It is this. It is an oil. It's an anti-puff, anti-dark circle. I don't really get either of them, but good moisturizer, I'm sure. Especially with it being an oil. So I'll use that. That is $38. Wow, everything's a lot of money in this. Next, we have the Sutra Beauty Rejuvenating Hair Serum. So, like that. It has SB2 by Sutra. Serum. I don't know if I would use serums in my hair. I mean, why not? I mean, I can't hurt my hair any more than it already thinning out as it is. So, if it can rejuvenate my thin hair, it'd be great. That costs $45. Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil. So, this, I do believe, is like a perfume. So, it is a perfume. It is like a perfume. It's a parfum. It's a parfum. I'm going to roll them out. It's a little strong. But that's it right there. It is a little strong. It's like mature scent. Yes, I am older. I am in my 40s, but I don't like it to smell too old. I don't know how to explain it. So nobody come at me because I said old, because I know I'm old too. Alright. However, this little thing here is $50. Now, I would take this, like, especially if I was traveling and I wanted to take a perfume. Just shove this in my purse and go. That way, at least, if my other stuff wears off, I still smell good. I can roll it on and go. Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. This is $20. Let's take a look. I've heard of Galactic. Never got anything from them. Rose Petal. It's roses in there. There's little rose petals in there. Smell. See if it smells like. Okay, it does smell like roses. I hate the smell of things that are not roses. I mean, I know there's roses in this, but I don't know if I want this on my lips. But well, I already ruined it with my lip gloss. I mean, lipstick that was already on there. I don't care, though. It's going on my lips anyway. I kind of have a taste. I kind of can taste the rose. So it kind of tastes a little bit like I sprayed some kind of rose perfume or something on me, which is not my favorite. But that is all that's in the boxes. I don't know. This is another box this month that I really am not too happy about. Now, I'm fine with the hair serum, the eye oil thing, and this, and maybe the toner, but you could have kept everything else. Like, really, I think out of both boxes, I think these are the 4 things that I actually kind of really do look forward to trying and using. So, let me know what you guys got in your boxes this month. If you get Boxycharm, yeah, pretty much that's it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.